That's a big fancy sprocket here. What happened with this thing?
Well, what happened is they put in the wrong bushing. There's two style of bushings for this particular application, an R1 and an R2. And R1 only goes that deep, and R2 would go all the way down. Being tapered lock, obviously more surface area. With the R1 being put in, not enough surface area, it actually sheared and ripped it right off in its application.
Sheared the whole the bushing off?
Correct.
It looks like it is
broke the
bitten
bolts.
Bushing and broke the bolts. So there, that's properly sheared off there, sharp and everything. Wow. It broke the, I don't know, this rim, whatever this feature is.
It's just the welded ring that's part of the taper lock, but literally, like I say, it's only halfway down the application. So
I see.
As soon as it was just not enough surface area to hold it when it jammed and just sheared it right off.
And this ring gets welded on. The sprocket is machined. I guess.
Well,
the machining
usually
marks
it's welded and then it's machined at the end to take the weld off, so it looks smooth. But it would be a welded on piece in the middle.
Is this originally forging as it comes before
no,
it's
treat heated? No, no, it would most likely be stamped out of steel. Like a plate was actually just a big stamp that would come down and stamp it out.
Stamping. Okay, and then it's got heat treated after.
Correct.
I see. And you were saying what with these numbers?
Well, the H stands for hardened.
Yep.
The 120 is the pitch.
Yep.
The chain.
Yeah.
The R is the bushing.
Yep.
35 is the number of teeth. But what they didn't take into account that it's an R2 bushing, not an R1 bushing.
I see. They ordered the wrong part. They installed the wrong part. They ran the machine with the wrong part, and now they have extra repairs to do. What this diameter of shaft? What kind of equipment would it be on? Mining, sawmill?
I'll be completely honest. I didn't know what this actually came off of. To be quite honest.
Okay. Thank you very much for sharing.
Sure. Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Thank you.